submental triangle. The borders of submental triangle.
Okay. Where is, what do you mean by submental? Submental is here. You are seeing this?
This is the
Submental, below the mandible.
okay.
So what is this picture? It is a picture of front view. This is what I am telling.
Okay.
So this picture is not half.
This
Okay.
is the
This is the front. You are seeing both the muscles here. This. So what is this? On each side. On each side.
there are muscle.
So what is that muscle?
Digastric.
So this is digastric
Muscle.
muscle. And then the base. So where is the base?
Hyoid.
Hyoid bone. So where is hyoid bone? Here. If you press, you can press here. If you press, you will die. It is a very dangerous bone. Okay?
Okay.
So what is the importance of this bone? So just for your knowledge I am telling. So in hanging, if the person tie the knot in hanging, so how you will identify?
This is
Why the death?
cut and
Because this bone will become, it will get fracture.
okay.
The bone will become fracture, and then he will die. Okay? So that is what it is. This is called, here is the hyoid bone. So this is the base. Okay? No? What
This
here?
is muscle.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only this is well.
Base is
Here.
this is hyoid bone, and then what are those two muscles?
Digastric.
Digastric.
On each side, digastric.
And this is here apex.
Okay? Then, so what is apex? Apex is this one, chin.
Okay.
Okay? Then, what is floor? Floor is this, behind this muscle. Behind this muscle, floor is this. So what is the floor of this muscle? This is the roof.
Okay.
This is roof. Roof is what? Skin.
Okay.
Roof is skin.
Yes.
Behind the roof,
Behind the roof is
floor.
Ground.
Ground.
hyoid muscle.
Mylohyoid muscle. So now it is clear now. So this is the base, and these are the two muscles.
Carotid triangular. Carotid triangular. Here.
So carotid triangle is here. This is carotid triangle. So here it is the jugular vein, and here this is the carotid artery. This is carotid artery, and then here you can also see the facial artery also. Here. So this is the facial artery. See here how it is going. It is coming inside here, and then it is coming here. This red color structure. Okay? And all this red color. First it will go to the angle, and then it is going here. It gives branches, all this, and then it goes on the side of the nose, and it goes, supplies us here. Okay?
عشر دقائق 10 دقائق.
This is also facial artery. See how it is. See how this red color structure, how it is coming in the face. Okay? This is temporal arteries.
This is supracervical artery.
Superficial temporal arteries.
Great.
See, all these are branches supplying the scalp.
Posterior surface here of maxilla, I think.
No, that you don't worry. Leave it. Remember about the mandible, the ramus of the mandible, and body of the mandible, and then the ligaments of the mandible.
Okay. And the
Both
touch.
the same ligaments you will study in this
dental.
temporomandibular.
Temporal, yeah.
Both some of the topics they will come in all the subjects.
Okay.
So, like example, the temporal, the ligaments of the mandible, okay, and then the muscles attached to ramus of the mandible. This same muscles you will study in
Masticatory muscle.
temporomandibular joint,
Joint. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Great. About the nerve.
Nerve, no, nothing. Nerve and all nothing. Okay. So you got it.
Yes.
So this is the difference here. So if we pin here, this is for the scalp. So if the pin is here, this is for the muscle. Okay. So sometimes if it is the pin is here, this is also for muscle. Which muscle?
Occipital.
Occipital muscle.
Belly.
Occipital belly. Okay.
هذا عشان بدل مشروط هذا مثلا. Yes, doctor.
This is pterygopalatine fossa. This one. This is
Lateral.
This is the lateral and this is the medial wall. And then posteriorly pterygopalatine, pterygoid plate of sphenoid bone. Posteriorly means this one. Yeah. This is the bone.
Inferior concha.
No. This is the posterior border.
The bone.
Yeah, this is the sphenoid bone. It is a part of sphenoid bone. Okay. This is the medially connection. You can't see the connection like that. So where all it is connected? Oral cavity. Here. So if it is covered like this,
Yes.
so it is connecting to the oral cavity. No. And then posteriorly the middle cranial fossa. So here it is connecting to the middle part. This is the anterior part. This is the middle part. Behind of this.
Okay. Yes.
Behind of this fossa, it is connecting the middle cranial fossa. And then laterally temporal fossa on the lateral side here. This is temporal fossa. And medially nasal cavity. Here it is inside, it is the nasal cavity.
Great. أنا حاطة صور الأرض.